Welcome back to making a UE5 tutorial every day for the rest of my life. It's day 7, and we're going to be working on slow motion. And this is me just holding the E key down, and if I let it go, I speed back up. And this works for even the items in the world too. So it affects everything. So without further ado, let's crack on. So I've deleted the code, and this code is very, very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to get the E key, which is just a bit further down here. I could make an input action, but it's kind of pointless for this. This is just showing you a small, very small feature. But if you want to make the input action, you can go ahead. It'll work just the same. So we want global. We want to set global time dilation. This node can be called from anywhere you'd like. You can call this node. This will affect every single item in the world, and yeah, we'll slow everything down, basically. And you can speed things up, slow it down, you can halt it if you want to. You can do pretty much near enough anything you want in terms of speed from this node alone. Now, you can affect the player slightly differently, so that you could maybe have the player move at normal speed, or maybe you want the player to go really, really fast, like the Flash. For that one, we want custom time dilation. Now, I'm just going to set this to 0.5 for now. But if you want it to go like normal speed, so that the player goes normal speed, but everything else slows down, you would set that to 2. 2, I found, works very well for that. If you want to go really, really fast, like I said, if you made like a Flash game, DC Flash, you would set that to like 4. But for now, we just want to do slow-mo. So we're going to set that to 1 and this to 1. So this means that when we hold the button down, like you saw in the preview, we will slow down. And then when we let go of the button, we'll speed up. And we'll test it now to show it working. So if we go, whoop, and everything slows down. If we let go of it, we can do that as well. We can still use all of our dashes, our double jumps if we want to. All of that stuff works. And then if we knock into this, it should all go slow-mo as well. So yeah, everything's working as expected. So hopefully you guys found this tutorial useful in some way, if this is the sort of thing you're looking for. And yeah, like, subscribe if you're new here. And for everyone else, leave a comment if any tutorials you want in the future. And I will see you guys tomorrow.